So this story starts in the late 80s in Ludington, Michigan. And, you know, my family, you know, was falling apart. My parents were getting divorced. My dad was battling cancer and wasn't able to work. And our relationship was falling apart. There was a lot of turmoil there, a lot of anger. But the one thing we had was fishing, right? My best memories in Ludington were fishing with my dad. Whether it was brown trout, perch, steelhead, salmon would run in late summer and early fall.
Isn't that pretty?
It was a pretty fish, Molly.
But that's the one thing we had. And I hadn't been back to Ludington, Michigan in almost 20 years. It's a place where I have some of the best memories in life and some of the worst. In 2006, my dad, Brad Tillotson, passed away from cancer. And this past year, I was diagnosed with stage 4 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And after going through chemo and recovering from that, early in 2023, my wife and I decided that we were going to do an adventure with my 2 little girls, right? So my beautiful wife, my 2 amazing, darling little gems of girls, we packed our bags and headed to Ludington, Michigan. And one of the first things I did was reach out to Adam Knutson from Reel to Reel Outdoors.
Times and places are all in.
My gosh, babe, you are like obsessed with feeding people. It's crazy.
And the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with.
Alright, rod up and reel. 55.5 or what
Okay, done.
All the way to that.
Caught a fish at sunrise.
That was exhausting.
You did it, Mommy.
That's not even the longest one that we have.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they got him! Oh my gosh!
I don't know if Adam realizes it, but you know, in life you're gonna have some crazy stuff happen, right? And in this moment, I felt so close to my dad again. And his service offered that connection. It also served as a new memory with my sweet little family. It was an awesome trip. Thought we'd catch, you know, maybe 1 or 2 cool fish. We ended up catching like 11. What a day and what a memory. Thanks, Adam.
Kenny, where are we going?
On a boat.
What time is it?
4 a.m.
What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. You like it? So cool.
It's cool.
Can you reach?
Yeah!